Hello everyone, today I will show you how to search and find text or word in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I will search a specific word in this PDF file. Click on this edit option and here you will find search and replace option. Click here and this search dialog box showing here and type your word you want to find on this PDF file. And search this about option word and select next and see this the about option showing here and next and this one also and see this in this way you can search and also search r next and see this in this way you can find your specific text and word on your PDF file. Yeah, this is. And also you can search only one letter S and see this. Yeah, this is. In this way you can search through text or character on your PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.